Hey guys, it's Eric John Melnikoff again, and today we're in Kinnelon, New Jersey. Welcome to 35 Tower Hill Lane in Smoke Rise. So this property is in a private gated community comprised of luxury homes. This one is no exception. Now it's bitter cold outside, but inside it's fiery hot. Come on, let's go take a look. This may be the perfect layout. You have the dining room and kitchen to your right. You have a beautiful family room in the center. You have two living rooms off to the left. So this is really cool. This is one of my favorite parts of the house. This is a metal wall. Now this wall is accented by the barn door, the metal barn doors. Sexiest fireplace you're ever gonna see. Now I told you about a special kitchen. This is one special kitchen. Come here. This is what I love about this. Two, not one, but two built-in wine coolers right here into the wall, okay? Here's one, here's two. Gorgeous, okay? No kitchen is complete without a Wolf cooktop. And you have this massive island accented by matching faucets, hardware, just gorgeous. You have a double Wolf oven, convection and conventional oven. And of course you have the microwave underneath. And of course, the Sub-Zero, beautiful. Now this is a custom staircase. You've seen them or you've heard about them before. This one's truly custom staircase. Let me show you where it takes you. So this is the master suite, and it is accented by a 15-foot soaring tray ceiling. You have the built-ins, all beautiful custom built-in wall unit here. Some more built-ins over here. Check out this master suite bathroom. Now this is what you call a shower, right? You have a beautiful shower here. You have the soaking tub over here, a double vanity here, and a makeup counter over here. Now, it's not often you see a staircase in a master suite. Let's check out what's upstairs. Now, this is the walk-in closet. Many walk-in closets are cute. Some of them are even large. This one is huge. It's enormous. You have just an outstanding center island. You have shelving over here, and the best part, you have dozens upon dozens of drawers up and down the entire island. To learn more about this wonderful home or to schedule a private tour, contact me at the Melnikoff Group.